Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from local photos, and this is actually your own gallery, so you'll be able to pick the photo you've taken and set it as the wallpaper. You can pick something also from the pre-installed ones and live wallpapers. What's more, if you will have the internet connection, under it you've got the online wallpapers. So here you will be able to discover some more of them. And if you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. And let's tap on preview. And as you can see, this is how it will look like on the lock screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it and wait a second. And as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. So let's go back, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.